We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
So this is how I'm going to wear my camera today. So that's it. Let's go see what we get.
Ooh, and I'm feeling good.
Can I get the chicken, pork, one of these sausages, and some of this beef? Can I get some potato salad? Yeah. Nope. Excuse me. Where are we going? That's where I sat this morning, where them people are. Shout out that way. I want to try that tandoori. Shit looks good. Look at that. Yeah, that. That dude's getting in trouble.
One selection remaining.
Weak. That thing just told me to give me 40 cents.
This is the sun prize to be awarded each time one sun appears during the free games. One sun. You want one sun?
$2.
Burning hard. Jackpot challenge. Press the button.
I could have went for the grand. Where am I going? Let's go to 10. Hello, riding in the elevator. Riding in the elevator is my favorite. It means I don't have to do stairs.
Deck 1.
Deck 1. Wait a minute. I completely screwed that up. Completely screwed that up. What's down here? This is, there's nothing but staterooms.
How do we get to medical?
You go forward and then go one leg down, 0.
Okay, thank you.
Let's try this again. Let's go to 10. Going to 10. See if we can get there. One shot. I don't know if we can do it. Let me give it a try. Give me my shot. Run, Forrest. Run, Forrest, run. He's coming to you. Oh yeah, he's moving. He's moving. Come on, let's
I
go.
gotta restart it.
Oh, do I gotta restart?
The whole thing.
What you can, right? I'm gonna hand it over to Nick, everybody. So enjoy 88 Keys. Have a great show. One more time, the one and only Nicholas Mast, everybody.
We're traveling at 0 knots, heading at 0 degrees, wind 65 kilometers. I told you it was windy out there. Okay, we came from here,
We're going there.
drove to here, floated to here, going to there. Just not even, oh, there it is. Look at that. And then I think we're gonna stop here on the way back. And then someplace else awesome.
It's a new dawn. It's drifting. Birds flying high. It's drifting. It's a new dawn. It's drifting. Birds flying high. It's drifting. It's a new dawn. It's drifting. Birds flying high. It's drifting. It's a new dawn.
The wind never did let up. Still gorgeous out here though. So this is the suit and the dress that we're going to do. What are we doing? We're going to take pictures
I'm
down
like
there.
stupid.
It's elegant night here on Carnival Magic. So we're gonna show them how elegant is done.
We got this.
No doubt.
It's a new dawn.